Good. Yeah, you definitely sound better than what you were. I know. I'm still sick too, but like
it's crazy. There's a nasty one going around. Oh my goodness.
The whole world is sick.
Yeah, it knocked me on my ass for sure. I feel a lot better though. Thank you for asking.
Thank God we work off the charts.
Huh? Right?
You want to know something? Speaking of the whole world, how Palantir does. We were just talking about oil as Venezuelan news. Palantir's gapping up about 4% here in the pre.
Yeah, let's see what that wants to do.
Ooh, I'm gonna pull that up.
We have just some. Do we have any other big individuals? Yeah, Palantir's up 4%. I see CoreWeave up 4.5%. That's been a big mover lately. AMD's up 3%. Tesla's up 2.2%. So definitely a decent amount of green in the pre-market here. We'll see if it holds going into the open.
Just keep in mind Friday's point of control in the NQ was down right around that 25,395 level. So we're quite a bit above there. And then if you look at from the overnight session, the current POC is 25,461.
Gotcha.
So we got some obviously big gap up, and some of that volume point of control is a little bit low. That's probably the other volume node in the short term, like 25,550 area would be one area, and then a little bit lower, that 25,4 area. So just keep in mind, if we do fade 25,550, probably 100 points lower is probably something that catches you in the short term.
Good morning, Spaces crew.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, bro. Got market open up here in about 15 seconds. SPY's coming up to previous session high. It's currently at that pre-market high from Friday's session up here where we initially took that short. So a little area of resistance up here, but market's looking good overall so far.
Yeah, getting a nice ripper. I didn't really talk about my bias at all, but I am a little short bias going into the morning. Taking out all the highs, but leaving overnight lows, midnight open below us. So I definitely want to see it move lower, but staying patient. See what this market wants to do.
INTC $40 call swings February 20th in the money. INTC just hit $42 at the open. An absolute ripper. These contracts are at $440 from 174.
NVIDIA's already breaking Friday highs. That's when I'm definitely watching, and I'm watching Tesla at this 450 level for short-term trades / day trades.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Microsoft's looking a little soft.
Yeah.
Still micro too.
If we could come back to like 620 and hold, I'm gonna take a long there.
Silver looking quite good this morning.
Your mic.
Did it, Nixie? Yeah. Silver
long gold, 3-minute EMA risk.
Let's go.
Getting lots of alerts right now on some of these charts. OKLO, Reddit, BE.
Yeah, uranium's catching a bid. Soldier Boy took us up.
Soldier Boy selling. I got a new stock for y'all. It's called a Soldier Boy.
By the way, I'm looking for spreads here right out of the gate. Call spreads.
Yeah, because percent out there.
Yep.
Not said. I'm going to spread them early.
Yep.
You're looking at 624s? Or you're doing SPX probably? Or
NDX. But 1 second, hold on.
Taking a small NVIDIA trade here. I like where it's at, and it's actually one I don't mind holding through the week as well. At break over a major level. Of course, I think we could back test that level and have some pullback. So it's a first buy for me, guys. I'm leaving money to add. But I think NVIDIA finally might start to catch a little bit of a bid this week after kind of looking shitty.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I like this area we're at here. As long as we hold 190, and if we back test into that area, I would add there.
Oh my God.
6,900 SPX here.
All right. Let's see what happens at 570s, because I didn't get in that short.
Let's do the back test 600s.
Bloom Energy, what a move.
ES holding up much
Well, so
better
you're
here.
gonna take a long.
Yes.
Tesla's catching a bid through that 450 level is what I'm going to be watching on Tesla as well. Starting to get a nice strong push.
Yeah, look at that wick. Your 2-minute ATR is around 15, 16 points right now.
That was fast.
Okay, low pushing.
Waiting to see here if it's gonna hold. I'm gonna long. If it can hold 600 or 500.
M&Q short bill breaker.
Dow looking really strong. RTY still holding.
Yeah, I was pumping. There's the
10
spot.
point gain, covered half.
Just wait.
Act.
Watching ticker PEP Pepsi for downside.
Apple too. Apple's looking a little ugly right out of the gates.
It's trying to gain delta here. Delta's trying to rise, I should say.
Your internals, Valdi and Valdi Q, both opened up positive. VIX just underneath $15. Your opening tick was 18. You heard that correct. 1-8. Very, very low.
I'm
I
trying.
got to order at 10-minute 20 here to cover a little more. See if we get it.
Yeah, it looks like the tech stocks are pulling back, except Nvidia is pushing up. I'm just chilling on my hands, sitting on my hands.
We do have CES week, so
Alright,
Nvidia
cool.
might be relatively bullish for itself.
Am I cold?
I said, are they cold? You said you're sitting on your hand.
Take it to midnight open. 47.50. Taking out London session high, trading back under that. Well, right at it. Again, we took out all the overnight highs.
Damn.
I'm looking
Okay.
for overnight lows.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait a second here. Shit.
I don't think I'm going to be able to get the call spreads.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have
30
to
point
wait for
gain,
put spreads.
M&Q, covered a quarter.
Nice. I'm sure with you. I'm looking for midnight though, 47.50. I don't really want to trim before that.
Damn, I haven't been able to get filled twice. They
It is my
keep
drill,
fixing
huh?
Every day.
All right, if we go up and
Let's go to VWAP next. I got 537.
Rugged all the way.
Yes, sir. But if we do get a 10-minute candle close under London orb high 557, you could see London orb low 468 for a sweep.
we do have a gap down at, what was that number 4?
Nvidia, that's a nasty sweep over previous day high, pre-market high. I need a close under 10-minute 20, 191.50 if they want pre-market low. No bias though. Just a if this then that perspective.
Yes, sir. Always. Let us know in the chat what you guys are watching. No, Wild Bender on this has investor day this week. Ooh. What day is that? It'll be interesting.
Netflix $88 call just came in for January 23rd. Someone bought 10,000 contracts at $6 for $6 million.
Ooh.
Your
By the way, on this
Tesla
looks
high
like it's
day.
about to hit all-time highs. It's freaking gap up this morning, back test Friday's high. I mean, the next
Big
spot
stick on
all-time
Netflix.
Meta really pushing volume here.
high.
Trailing stop loss hit there in profit, MNQ.
There it is.
Getting an alert on RKT as well.
I thought this was bold.
I'm getting into a short.
Yes. Very good.
We are really wicky around here, and it's a little bit of higher risk for sure.
I'm gonna trim my Tesla here 23%.
Nice.
Oh, the limit order gave us, and the limit order take it away.
Mhm.
Like 2, 3 ticks off.
RKT looks good.
There we go. There's a short film.
Nice.
There she is.
I like that short film.
Yeah, $5.99.
First pop we get after
There we go.
setup happened. I mean, not bad.
Take a small trim on Pepsi here.
Come on.
My trim's or like my first target's basically exactly 100 points down.
There's my alert on Pepsi to trim.
Don't hold here.
Yeah, Palantir has been a mover. Came back in. It was up 4% pre-market. Now it's only up 2.82.
Let's go.
I got out of my short right there. Not to say that you guys are like later
It's just the start, Joe. It's just the start.
Yeah, that's what my eyes see. And there we go. Got my money. And we're out.
I love it. They do cheat.
I really hope it drops another 100 points for you guys.
Yeah,
and I'll
me
be,
too.
and I'll be flat.
I hope so too.
It's Zeta ripping.
Zeta. Slow here.
Says Zeta's ripping.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my calls. Whoa.
I'd like to see some more speed here.
They have the
Zeta.
they're at CES and they're talking. They got an interview with Dan Ives, I think today or tomorrow.
He's not showing me.
All right.
Drill it.
What the heck? I want to see.
Short green, cover red, and Q.
Oh, the rugged again.
I
Yeah.
think 10 minutes 200 is going to see at 532.
You know.
Gosh.
Take it down, down. Take it down, down. Go.
Okay, now dump it 300 points. Let's go. Come on.
Shit. Great.
Oh, okay. Scale more out. You guys, these ticks are moving.
Here's 8:30 open. Great spot to maybe take some trims. That's 60 points here.
What am I gonna do?
My stop loss on my runners is going to be in right about break even.
Nice.
Zeta.
Mm-hmm.
See, ooh, yeah. Yeah, daddy, yeah.
I'm looking at a stock right now. If I can get filled on these options, that'd be awesome.
IWM still a little strong here.
I mean, you have individuals actually looking really good. You
Getting
really
a nice
do.
pop at 8:30 open. Nvidia's just off a cliff, but Meta straight up. Interesting.
Couldn't get that entry on OKLO, but it just hit target upside.
Yeah, you got Amazon
Apple's
straight up.
weak too, still.
Amazon straight up. Meta.
Microsoft's trying.
You have Tesla
Same.
straight up.
RKT, baby. I couldn't get an entry on that one either. Things are moving quick this morning. That one just ripped and hit target.
Love
Yeah, who's
RKT
pulling
for
back?
this year overall. I got clapped on that NVIDIA. Took a loss 25% on next week's calls, but Tesla here about 33%. So that counterbalanced it.
Good stuff.
I'm trying to get filled on ticker VAH for calls, but
I think we're gonna bounce here.
spreads ain't what I want to
It's a
see.
nice spot at this 8:30 open. They could definitely bounce it.
God, look at RKT.
If we have POC move up here and we get like some more structure, I'll probably look for it.
Tesla looks great.
Yeah, here's that bounce.
Gold's holding up. RTY still holding. Dow's up. Ouch.
Meta is on fire right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I should check my
Yeah.
swing. Let's go.
It is opposite.
Yeah, that one is absolutely ripping.
That stock is on fire.
Yeah, I can't
Yeah,
carry this much.
Meta. Watch like the 662 will be kind of your first probably spot I could check out.
Meta 675 calls came in about 2.5 minutes ago for this Friday, January 9th. Someone bought almost 2,000 contracts at $233 a piece, just under $500,000 on the order.
Oh, no.
Y'all mentioned there was volume. I think it's trying to reclaim that consolidation little sweep up. 4 hours looking
I'm gonna give this a few minutes here.
range.
A little bit of flow on APP coming in as well, some 650s for this Friday. This name has been getting beat up the last few sessions. Stock has dropped over, 110 bucks within the last few sessions. So you could see a little bouncy bounce on this name.
Gold over 440s. If we get a close up outside of it, I think we see pre-market high 451.7.
Qualcomm just introduced a new full suite of robotic technology.
Yeah, had a really nice pop pre-market.
All right, 6-point gain gold. Sold a quarter.
Oh, did I miss my sound? Oh, sound just hit $11.
Yes, new highs.
Cool. Pepsi new lows. We move to stop up. Trade doesn't go red.
Oh yeah.
Welcome, brother. Let's go. I know RKT is just
Gold, baby. Higher high.
like there it goes. Insane. Can't catch them all, Pokemon.
Yeah, Chevron CVX pulled way off over those highs. It hit 180 in the 187 in the overnight session. It's now 162.
Damn.
Obviously, you got the gap down at 155. So if you're looking at oil names, just careful of those as those names fade off.
IWM cruising up.
Nike's strong. I think Nike goes straight up to the 200 on the daily in the next day or two, which is 65.95 before it gets any sort of slowdown.
ES and YM are cooking, and then keeps back a bit.
Big bounce on ticker V, Visa. Back to a big area of support. If it broke that, it was going to be a big flusher. This name just ripped like $5 or $6 right out of the gate. RKT is absolutely lying. Soundhound down over 11 as well. This one's moving, looking good. AVGO is dying out of the gate. Not looking good.
I'm still looking to take some futures trades, but I'm sitting on my hands for now.
Okay.
Yeah. Board charts, I could only get entry on one of them. Jesus. I took a trim on Zeta, those 22.5s, by the way.
We do have data at 10. Just a reminder, ISM manufacturing PMI.
Yep.
I think its data starts pushing above. It just hit the high from Tuesday, December 30th session. Nothing crazy, up 22% on those 22.5s from March. But if it does start to break in base above this area here, just again, slow grind up 22, 22.50, get those in the money. And that'd be next target upside. But trade doesn't go red.
Big
Oh,
ass pop.
baby. Let's go. 14-point gain. I'm going to cover half here. GG.
GG. Rocket.
IWM about to hit previous week high.
Mm-hmm.
Broadcom looks ugly. ABGO, big down candle.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
I'm down to just a couple runners on Tesla's stop break even, about 55% hit on that.
Beautiful. You little scallywag, I know you want to take those. Give me the loot. That's not what I was saying.
Trying to get in a call spread. This would be the time right here on this pop. Come on.
I know.
Keep down ticker LOW, lows.
I might just have
That's
to go to Qs.
69.35s. SPX.
There's data in 10 minutes. I'm gonna wait till after. Even though I think on that data we could fucking just dump, but I don't want to get caught.
I guess I'll just wait the 10 minutes.
Sold them for 70 cents. It got filled on the first batch.
Would
I
you
almost grabbed them, but
would you sell?
69.35s, 20 wide.
Okay. Cool.
I just covered the first piece at 40 cents. I got filled on the first half.
SPY just hit a pre-market high from Wednesday's session. Up there before we got the move down, it dumped all the way back down to 685 after it hit this level the first time. It's around 687.75. A great area for a resistance for a short. I'm going to be looking to take an SPX call credit spread just after
Yeah.
10 a.m.
Yeah, there's obviously news. I want to clear some of it before I have to stop at break even. I was
SPY
actually
686 puts. Just hit them for a liquidity sweep. Maybe we see 10-minute 20, 685.7.
what's up on Goldwell?
No, I was just saying I was rolling through last night. I was looking through some charts, actually, like stuff I like to like just bigger daily, weekly time frames, like stuff that I'm like looking at maybe shorts just to try to offset some long stuff, like charts that don't look good.
Mm-hmm.
I came up with a list of like 10. One I was looking at was Old Dominion freight lines. Even though it's breaking up today, the weekly chart looks pretty ugly. And after this big rally off the bottom, you're coming back into resistance. Was below the 50 as well and below the 200. So that's one. The other one was on the daily, maybe Shopify. SHOP. We were below. I mean, I liked it. You know, on Friday we were below the 50-day. We've gapped up today, but we're still below the 9 and the 21. We're getting rejection right there, so keep that one on your radar. DoorDash is another one. DASH could be another short opportunity. 222 right now, but stop a beat above 240 if you want a little bit more of a swing trade. These are swing trade ideas, not.
Yeah, we did just get a pop.
Pop off the lows. Meta still holding, flagging eyes.
For everybody listening that takes my swings, I did trim Nike and Target swings from last week. I'm down to runners on those. February and June on both of those.
ASTS looks good here. Looks like it wants to make a next leg up. It's up 2%. Rocket Lab's down 4.5 almost. Some space names may be good, some space names may be shit. It's definitely just waiting for this data point.
Yeah. I don't think I want to get in something and have to take it off in 5 minutes. I'm like, I just don't have that looming.
Watch the Googles.
There's 50s there on gold. I said if we claim 40s, you see 50s. Pre-market high is a point away. Make sure you guys scale and trail. I got another order set to cover or to sell to the runners here at 54 for 20 points.
Bitcoin's still ripping 93.5 here. Oh, silver also new high. 8%. 8.3 today. Ripping.
Damn.
I say too, like a name like silver that's running as much as it is, you can't be like on the first dip. Oh my gosh, we're down 10%. That's horrible. The percentage really doesn't matter. Not when you're moving that much. Like it just, there's multiple names that we've seen. Ondus. Look at a name like Ondus on this last big pullback it had. It dropped freaking almost 60%. Did that change the trend? Did that change what was happening on the chart? No. Percentage didn't matter.
Exactly.
It's moving a lot. The percentage is irrelevant. Completely.
All relative.
I have a feeling we're about to get a big spike on NQ if this news is good. What is it? What's the data again?
ISM manufacturing PMI.
Okay.
It is red folder, so we should see a bit of a reaction from it.
Yeah, ISM manufacturing should be a market mover to some degree. It will move rates and probably move bonds a bit.
RKT new highs, still cruising up.
Somebody said Jensen's going to be on stage at 1 p.m. today.
No shit.
Yeah.
It's 4 p.m. Eastern.
Oh, gotcha.
They're in Vegas, that's why.
Yeah, he's in Vegas. Or Cali.
I'm actually going to the keynote. I absolutely hate the West Coast. This is horrible.
I actually hate those.
I am in Vegas.
Yeah, that sucks, doesn't it?
Evan just woke up. He's not happy.
Yeah. I lost $400 in the casino last time. Not bad, but some other people lost more.
You
Literally,
gotta go to the bubble craps machine, man.
I was playing craps and I realized, damn, I don't remember how to play craps like I need to. So
No,
we'll
you
start
gotta
with
play the crapless bubble craps.
Bro,
Make some
were
money.
you
That
with
sounds like
Gab?
something that you get after you eat Taco Bell.
But it's 400, like whatever, but straight down in the line. Didn't win one hand in blackjack. Didn't win one hand in anything else. All right, sorry, it's too early to talk about this, but 30-minute orb opening up in 3 minutes.
Yes, sir.
God, dude. RKT, you piece of shit.
Love it.
They're still holding
God, I'd
this.
love it if I would have got my calls.
One of my favorite stocks for quarter one, honestly.
God, I had like
That's
5
calculated.
alerts go off, and I just couldn't get fast enough on those opening candles. I mean, that was a
That
straight
sucks.
ripper out of the gate. I mean, it is what it is, but.
By the way, guys, quick reminder for the audience, if you're enjoying the show we do every morning, make sure you're liking the spaces, sharing it out, reposting it, following all the amazing speakers. We appreciate you guys.
Even just commenting in the spaces chat helps a little bit.
Yeah, that too.
And I like to read it.
Yeah. I like to mosey through some of the comments. And people are funny, man.
Tesla could be setting up a little second chance back test here. I do still have a couple contracts, but I want to see how it plays out at the 451 retest or 450 retest. Could have a second chance entry coming up.
This shit going down, down. Come on. Watch data comes out and just rips on it. It might. Watch out. Don't want to get ran over.
Yeah, we're just looking around this 600 level. POC moved up to 580s on NQ.
I don't know, man. We're still holding.
Ooh, now it comes out. Okay.
We got 20 seconds. Whew.
%74% chance we see midnight open on MNQ. That's 487.50. That's 100 points lower.
Oh,
There's
there's the pop.
Data time. Fake pop. That didn't react very crazy, but little pop reaction came in at 47.9. The forecast was 48.3. Previous was 48.2.
So it was a little soft.
Little behind.
20-point gain on gold, cut or sold down to the runners here.
Yes,
Right at
sir.
54, GG.
We can just really get back under London low. I mean London high, which is right here, 586.50s. Thinking lose it. Oh, fake ass pop.
Dump it, baby.
Dump it.
10-minute 20 on SPY, 685.87. And Max Payne, I wouldn't say Max Payne, but really
I like
good
when you
target,
say
I
Max
think,
Payne.
could act as a magnet, 684.65. 10-minute 200 EMA.
Mr. Market Maker, I've been so patient, please. Would you give me my TP? What is that?
Yes,
Asshole.
it's very strong still.
I know, it's annoying me.
I just got whipped out there.
Give it up.
Sounded so disgusted, Jordy. What is that?
It's gross, dude. Holding this London high every time. Damn it.
MNQ short, bill breaker scalp.
I tell you, Neo, you lose that London high. You will find freedom.
But if it's gonna hold the POC in above 600, it could potentially continue. But yeah, we'll see. Just the way ES is moving.
Don't fuck me. Please. Don't screw me over.
They're gonna push it.
Even if you delay B, I will survive.
Yeah, it's gonna put XLF is the strongest sector here. We're up 2.2% on the day here. And then consumer discretionary, XLY.
Tell XL.
So Russell's leading.
So they push. Yeah, they're gonna push it. Okay.
He is trying. That's not a good look. The downside. This heat map looking like this morning.
If you took that second chance Tesla off the back test of 450 trim it, I was already in, so obviously I did not take it. But it had a nice 22% pop there.
Good stuff. A lot of green out there.
Yeah, market seems jumpy. Right?
Stop him in Q.
Got healthcare's red. Utilities are red. AVGO is one of the only big tech names that are taking a decent hit.
Oxy, oh my god. Huge sell off all morning.
She killing it.
Oh, that's not
Oh,
good.
they're killing it.
Oh, look at Rivian.
It does look bad on oil.
Yeah.
It's quite bad.
Dude, you know how many people told me that we were just going to gap up and then get like huge continuation on these names and probably they chased them at the open? Like,
That's the definition of what boys say. Like, well, people just like find an event and immediately just like jump towards the conclusion with no substance because of an event happening, you know?
Stop spot.
Oh, we
giving it all
control.
back.
We took control of $17 trillion of oil. That must mean oil rips. It's like, dude, it's fantasy land, bro. Like, you're just making up dreams in your head.
Yeah. I think that's how it is in a way trading nowadays because there's so many retail traders, you know, and the amount of retail trading in the market that you got to always be aware of, like you said, like that's not necessarily how it goes, you know, so those pops are oftentimes phantom when they do happen. They're not long lived.
Yeah,
the problem's when you hit it and you like succeed doing it. Then
you're the thing with something like that is when you get the initial headline for when it happens. So unfortunately for most people, unless you were in a swing on XOM over the weekend, you know, you sold right out of the gate. I mean, fantastic. But other than that, I mean, most people weren't. But when you see, like, if that would have happened in the middle of the trading day, right? You see that headline, you see that go on. And then, you know, he's up there taking the podium, talking about oil, whatever it is. You get that initial reaction off of it just for the anticipation of, you know, all of that stuff. Now, what happens with oil and Trump, this whole situation afterwards, that is what's going to give the bigger effect on this. Is it going to get continuation afterwards, or is it just going to fade that entire pop, come back, and then give a huge sell-off? Like the initial headline when it comes out, yeah, you can play.
So
that
I sold
positive, negative.
Call spreads. I sold a 25,650 call and bought a 25,680 call. So I'm looking for the market to stay below 25,650 here, which is 210 points away. That is a 95% probability of profit on that sold contract. Actually, it's now 96%. So we have a 4% chance as of right now of losing.
How many people decided to chase these names? They got absolutely murdered. CVX still has not filled the gap. It's underneath half gap. It still hasn't moved back down. Previous day high, previous week high, 156. It just broke 160. So.
I sold call spreads, by the way.
Zeta.
Zeta,
Oh,
Rivian, and Oscar are just reaping.
Oh, Zeta. Yeah.
I'm shorting something on Q right here. 634.
30% on the 22.5s, or less than $1 from the money.
Okay.
3 months of time.
I don't remember if I said this at 634.
Okay.
It's got alert on DraftKings. It's probably for upside if I had to take a guess. Yeah, previous month high test right here on DraftKings. 36.4.
Let's see why it's still holding up strong.
I think that's gonna be prevalent more and more with retail trading as well. Like that FOMO chasing like silver, like people that are longing silver, like heavily longing with a lot of time at this price. Of course, so I think it could go to 100 for sure, but like it gets so volatile that it's really tough to like kind of like diamond hand it.
Exactly.
Through the pullbacks. Like the pullbacks from last week to this week were heavy pullbacks. So, a lot of people aren't going to be able to stomach that unless you were in early. You get wrecked. So it's just
either be in early or take the size a lot smaller.
Yeah, wait
so
for
you can withstand the pullback.
Yep. Exactly.
Because if you're in early and
in.
you've made 100% on something and you pull back 10, it doesn't hurt you that much. But if you just recently got in, that kills you. So
Exactly.
I'm with you.
The people I wish I would have bought NVIDIA 2 years ago, like that, that chase in. You got it. That's just tough about swing trading in general. You have to have the ability and foresight to take something that doesn't make sense, that it's at the price it's at, has a lot of upside potential. I don't want stuff at all-time highs. I want the stuff that doesn't make sense at lows.
Yeah.
So distinguishing between that is so important. And be able to read a balance sheet past that, because a lot of times if they're down, there's a reason they're down. So can you sift through that and find the treasures?
Yeah. Great example of this was when Meta couple months ago was down in, what was that, November? We took a 11. Right, that's like a perfect.
The long-term portfolio is very happy today.
Let's go.
Jordan, I don't know if you heard me, by the way. I am in call spread.
Yeah, I heard you. I sold 623s, bought 627s.
Okay.
On twos. About like 620. 3 strikes out.
Oh, that's right. You guys doing that challenge? I forgot.
What's it called? Yeah.
He got me addicted.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got him.
He got him. Target acquired.
So what I think is going to happen, we're either going to get briefly a new high, or we're going to make a lower high. I think I'm going to add to my call spreads. If we get the new high, I'm 100% adding. If we don't get it, I'm not too sure.
I'm looking for a potential short here on IWM. I don't want to get run over because it has the relative strength, but previous week high up here at 251.50. Tight risk. I'm just not trying to get run over because we're still holding EMAs. Q's is lagging. Internals are still positive. VIX has a gap to fill down to like 1450. It's just making new lows. Tick has had 5-minute candle closes above the 0 line the entire morning so far. So I'm looking short. There's just no reason to try it just yet. Everything is still holding up.
Better still going.
Pepsi new low of day. Almost at 140.
Yeah, XLF just big stick. Goldman Sachs, JPM, Wells Fargo, all of them.
I think was it Wells Fargo? Someone made new 52-week highs this morning. I think it might have been WFC.
Yeah. Well, most of the banks, yeah, JPM as well. Goldman Sachs, yep, GS. Very strong.
GLD 409 call scout.
Heard that.
On that 625. I have an algo level at 633, 634, so just kind of bouncing. Session VOC on the Qs at 626, so bouncing off that.
Okay, I think we're going to touch that new high.
All right, target hitting on Pepsi. Yeah, majority.
Nice.
Contacts at 190. About to hit 140. 2 pennies off.
Silver still up 8%. Also still flying. Amazon flying. Nada. Nvidia still ain't doing nothing. Just consolidating at lows. At Coinbase is up 7%. It's up 4%.
Not enough. Chill the highs.
Tesla new high here. I'm going to trim up a little more Tesla.
Very nice. Yeah, she's killing it. Google's trying to get to those highs as well. Let's got breakout. UNH down. Hey, Netflix isn't going to hell like it has been every single day. On hold.
Flat MNQ.
I'm just waiting here.
He's dancing around. Let's see if they want to finally take this high on NQ.
Tesla new highs over 455.
Yeah, I'm about 65% on my Tesla. Love it, love it. This, I should have waited for this pullback on NVIDIA because now it looks interesting, but I'm going to pass, especially because there's an event this afternoon. Wasn't aware of that. I'm just going to kind of sit on the sideline. I'm good. Can't win them all. Cup in hand on Rocket. I think Rocket 2250 easy in the next couple days. I think that one can keep going.
Still just waiting.
How is the crypto fear and greed index at fear? Really? It's live.
Doesn't make no sense.
This is a slow move.
Yeah.
To me, it still seems like a short, but I'm not gonna take it and get ran over.
Oh, I'm waiting for it.
Amazon is trying to push up close to a previous day high.
Like I said, I think what we're gonna do is breach highs, reject, pull in, and we could get back above those highs again, but it's just gonna be slow.
Looking for SPY. If it does rip up, looks like maybe $1 move closer to 688.65.
Google coming back in,
689.
Microsoft week, AMD week, NVIDIA week.
Yes, took out highs again. And she's still lagging.
NVIDIA kind of bear flagging down here at the lows. a firm ripping over $80.
Target daily chart looks really good. I think this one has some legs now that it's over 100. If we can break over these, you know, that 101, 102 area, I do think 110 could come pretty easily on this one. Back tested the 200 a couple times. And I hate Target, honestly, as a company. I think it's lost its identity, its purpose.
Yeah.
But the chart looks decent. Target as a company is trash. I don't know. I can't imagine them being a highly profitable company in the future under their current structure. I'm not a Target fan overall. Gotta be honest.
She's a hater.
Yeah, lost its identity.
Peeking into new highs on Lyman ES.
Mm-hmm.
2i YM just looks low.
Apple's weak. Watch AMD. It actually looks like it may bounce here.
Tesla's starting to come in. Meta too. Slap check before the highs on AQ.
Yeah. My spreads is liking it.
Yeah, me too. What's bouncing now? There's our 2y new high.
Yeah, R2 are still waiting.
We ran into some molasses right here, dude. M&Q
Yeah.
long, 3-minute EMA risk, 10-minute red candle buy.
If ES keeps ripping, I got Wednesday's high at 951.
Google. Ooh, Google's really taking a beating now. Okay. Watch AMD. It's curling. It's curling.
Curls for the girls. If this thing does blast off, thank you. I'm looking at previous week value area high. So 793 to basically 800s previous day highs. I think it's probably what it wants. Look at that candle.
Do have a gap fill on SPX still 69.20 to 69 28 above.
I expect rejection on ES at 961.50.
20-point gain in the Q for half.
Let's go. See if we get some continuation over this high of day. IB is about to form.
Ah, bear. Ah, bear. Look at odd dubs.
I do. Yeah, ripping. Dow ripping.
So right at open on Qs, we wicked right at the 50-day SMA. And we have been up since then. Oh my God, look at ASML. Holy shit.
Yeah.
I remember I was screaming for everyone to buy it at 700 or like 680. It's 1230. Holy moly.
Yeah, ridiculous.
MasterCard, major bullish engulfing today. I mean, it's only 10:30, but still, all those banks are popping.
SPX 6915 calls out.
Noise. Look weak here, but holding. Not really seeing a nasty reaction off these highs, so.
All right, quick little de-risk here. Hot potato, $110 per contract gain. SPX, I sold half.
Hot potato. I like it. All right, I think it's time for some breakfast.
Or that.
Yeah, nice day today. No need to overtrade. Good level of gas pedal. I will catch you all later, but have a good rest of your day.
Yes,
Sounds
sir.
good. Me too.
Joe. Cheers.
Later, Joe.
$961.50, that Tuesday high, sorry. Let's say Thursday. On the S. I expect a bit of rejection there.
I'm waiting to see if we get up to 710 and reject for a short. Otherwise, I'm not gonna play around with this.
Heard that.
Long goal, 3-minute 20 EMA risk area.
Coin just almost took out those highs. The whole problem. ASTS new high day 6.5% here. That'll be 7. It's a good day.
Okay, ALAB $180 calls for February 20th. They're a little expensive, but dip right into the 90 EMA on the daily. And I think this could curl up kind of intraday here. I'm also doing ALAB 175 calls for next week. That would be more of like a little trim, like a possible day trade if we get a rip.
Oh, it's got a lovely weekly chart on ALAB.
Yeah, it does.
Lovely chart. Oh, NQ. I guess it was wanting that Wednesday high area, which makes sense.
I'd like to see ALAB get to about 172, 173, and I'll sell that next week's. They got a morning doji star on the 5-minute there. Should get a big pop here. If we get over 171-ish.
Nice rejection so far on SPY in the zone.
Yep, very nice. My spreads are a 95.5% probability. Oh, 95.9% probability of profit. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, ALAB is cooking. I already have $2 on the stock from my entry. Go, baby. Go, baby. So I talked about on NQ, look for that new high and you could probably see some pullback. So far, it is. The only thing you would look for weakness if we get under the 9 and 21. We just tapped the 9 at 651, 652, holding it really good. Mhm.
We got a call price right here on SPX. I would say that hit $22 today. You know you want to.
Yeah, they got that big thing tomorrow. I'm pretty sure it's tomorrow with Dan. Mr. Dan Ives.
Tick bouncing off the 0 line. Still not a single candle closing there. Needs to be on the 5-minute. Do you have an evening star right now on SPX? Rivian new high a day?
Over 20. Yeah. Ooh, they're getting weak up here. They're getting weaky. Weaky. Funny enough, we have been grinding up and my call spreads have been losing value. That is the best. It's the best. A lab got slapped at the 5-minute 9. I am break even on both of them now. Don't sleep on path. Don't sleep on path. market is taking a droppity drop. Droppity drop.
Oh no.
Okay. IWM is cooking. Damn. That's some good shit. IWM is cooking. Okay, Diz. You there? Oh, what the hell? I got disconnected. How the hell did that happen?
Ripper here on path, new highs.
I was talking this whole time. I don't know how I got disconnected. Funny enough, path I did add. Look at the weekly on that, holding the 9 and 200.
I had it last week on a dip as well. I was down. People were freaking out. I was down like 30%. Now I'm at entry right now, and these are 515 calls.
Yeah, and I have January 2028 calls on those too. What I was actually telling you until I realized that I was not here is I just sold call credit spreads on Zeta, Oscar, and Rivian, and Path.
Nice.
Sorry, not call credit spreads, covered calls. Covered calls, not call credit spreads. One second. Sorry, guys, I didn't see the chat here. So, would you ever sell a spread early if the max gain? Well, the max gain can't exceed 100%. By the way, the max gain can. If it does, it's just a glitch. So that is a no. And then, can you explain where you see the probability? So yes. Tell me what broker you're on. But no matter what, if you go on to the option chain, all you got to do is go to your sold strike. Okay.
Oh, the Amazon TV.
Go to your sold strike. Look at the delta, and whatever that delta is, do 1 minus that delta, and that is going to be your probability of profit. So now our 650 sold strike for NDX 25,650 is 96.78%. the delta is basically a 0.03. So 97% probability of profit there. I will be back in un momento.
I will be done.
Mama.
Later, Gator.
Later, Gator.
Remainder MGC break even. It's a green trade.
V the new highs. RKT about to make new highs. Microsoft looks like it's about to roll over and die. Amazon put in a 10-minute reversal at the highs. All right, pulling back down a little bit to that.
Yeah, you're starting to see all these individuals that were running this morning turn around a bit. Meta, Amazon.
Watch ARM for a potential short right here. Or no. NAR. Up $1,700 and down for the day. Great work. Let's go. Zeta about 15 cents away from 22. Calls are up 36% here.
Nice. Michael Saylor and Strategy had a $17.44. Oh wait, $17.44 billion unrealized loss in quarter four due to Bitcoin's performance during the quarter. That's rough. Currently trading around a 1 MNAV.
I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you on EU show tomorrow if you guys are tuning in, 7 a.m. Eastern.
Sounds good, Eva. Have a great show. Everybody, if you guys are up early and in the other side of the world, make sure you're tuning into that.
We're going to be talking about the playbook for 2026, what everyone's looking at to invest. Come join.
Love it.
Yo, take it easy.
Take it easy, guys.
Bye, Eva.
Much love.
BE looking good here. I don't know if I want to chase BE up here. I still want a little bit more of a pullback. The intraday looks decent.
BA or BE?
BE.
Oh, Bloom.
Some more calls just came in, some 105s.
I feel like you could fill that gap first from overnight.
Or 115s.
Like just back test close of Friday.
Yeah, I wanted to see a sweep of 100 today and go long.
That would have been nice, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm with you on that.
It got close. It's getting a little bounce now, but yeah, I wanted to see a sweep under that 100 and buyers step in and then just push it.
That's one where like I love when they open up and just like back test it on like the day that we gap up, but it could be something where it does it tomorrow, you know?
Yeah.
And holds. It's always so annoying when it like goes to gap fill, gets so close and doesn't. You're just waiting to bid that up. Price action getting sloppy. As soon as we took out that high day on M&Q, things got a lot weaker. Structure started to shift to the downside.
Oh, I forgot I was still here. All right, guys, I'm gonna go. I don't feel good.
No worries, me too.
I'll see y'all tomorrow.
All right, sounds good. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, Migs.
I mean,
Yo, take it easy.
Oh boys, we ain't doing shit.
I'm short from a little bit higher up on SPX.
Good. Good,
Just
good.
some sells. About to close the rest of the video here at entry. This chart's disgusting. Just lagging, being so slow. Q's definitely weaker. SPY stronger. Previous week high on SPY takes it up to 689.21. So I like shorts from, this area here, 688.50 up to that. AMD doing the same thing as NVIDIA, just kind of bear flagging at the low, but stalling very, very slow, not doing much.
Okay, it's trying to make a new high. Oh, not a new high. Sorry, I mean it's trying to hold the 5-minute 9. Amazon weaker, Google weaker, Meta weaker, Microsoft weaker.
NWM underneath the 5-minute 9 pulling back here. Ooh, 10-minute. Ooh, that was a nasty 10-minute candlestick on IWM. That was a good short.
Oh, yes, that is. That is ugly. Ugly and fugly.
That's already starting. The 15 minutes about to close. Back testing that 51.50. But yeah, that 10-minute was a nice short back to right here.
On the UNHG at 2x leverage, UNH from leverage shares is down 24.5% over the past 3 months. Wow, who's buying the dip? Where's UNH right now? Things just got really quiet in UNH after we made some of those big moves, and then we had that retracement back to the 50% retracement of the bigger time frame range, and now we've just been consolidating since then. I don't hate it. I'd just love to see actually a bit of a like to see a bit of a move lower before thinking we're really going higher. I think at some point we'll get some more opportunities there. Just a little quiet. When I do, though, when we do get opportunities, that UNHG is going to be the thing to trade for sure.
Two minutes curling up on NQ. 5 minute holding the 9. Three-minute on it. VM 235 looks.
IRN just hit 47. Next target above that, 48. Previous month high is at 48.90. Pepsi chilling at the lows underneath 140 after it broke. Contracts over 200. Big target downside on this is going to be 137.50, 137 area. But trade doesn't go red. Obviously, we've been trimming out these puts all morning. You can get a little flash down to the 21 for the first time. You can break this spot.
Gold long here, 10-minute CVC risk. I need to see SPY back under today's orb high, 687.88. A close beneath that could trigger a orb liquidity sweep to bring us back down to 686.38, today's low. But only if we close back under the 30 orb high.
He's going sideways.
Oh, yeah.
Hand me on the spreads, I'll take it. Take it, sir. I could have got more premium out of them, though, but whatever.
Look at Path. She's on a path, baby.
She's on the right path.
She's on the right path. You right, Jordy.
Follow the yellow brick road path.
You doing
yellow brick
that?
road. I guess in this case it would be the bright lime green road. Color of profits. You remember the days? You guys still might do this. I don't know, but like I remember the days where I first got on TradingView and every line I had, every color was just the most neon, bright LED, green, blue, purple. Like, I had to get away from it.
On what?
So, on just like my charts.
Oh yeah, that's what mine is right now.
Is it all just like neon colors? Yeah.
Dude, I
used to run that and it just got too much for me. I was like, I gotta stop.
I got green, red, blue, orange, yellow.
You go to the
purple,
settings and
white.
like purposely turn it up to like the most vibrant.
Yup.
Like, yeah.
I need that vibrant color so I can see it.
So I can sit.
Your chart looks like a goddamn Tron movie. Like, fuck.
There is some that, yeah, I'm with you. Less is more for sure.
It's just funny given like what my chart looks like now. What I used
Oh,
to.
yeah.
It's just like so different.
Or you watch your videos from like 3 years ago.
Yeah,
Like,
it's like,
oh, God.
couple earnings kicking off this week, but no names that we really care about. You got like Tilray and AEHR, some random ass names. But next week, we got the airlines and the banks. Well, one airline and the banks kicking us off. Getting back into the earnings season. That'll be exciting. We haven't had that for a minute. It's all just been, I mean, I'm doing air quotes. The quote unquote catalyst has been like New Year's, Christmas, which has been a catalyst for the market to do nothing really. So we'll see what earnings brings.
Okay, boys and girls, I have to go to the doctor, so I will catch y'all in a little bit.
Is everything all right, Nas? You've been going to the doctor a lot lately.
Yeah. No, they're checking my just a regular knee appointment after the surgery.
Oh, let's go. Good stuff.
Yes, sir.
How's your range of motion?
Oh, I'm full. I'm
Really?
full. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Dude, good for you. All three knee surgeries for me, fuck my range of motion every single time. Just got worse and worse.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah, I can't even do like a normal squat anymore.
Ooh.
Because my knees don't bend that much anymore, and I have so much built up scar tissue in there. It just gets so tight, and I lost so much range of motion.
Do you pop a lot? Like
yeah, all the time.
Yeah, I'd say the only one with this surgery is I'll make like movements. Obviously, it doesn't hurt, but like I'll feel like the pop.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I can just sit right here at my desk and I can grab my kneecaps and then just do a full extension and just pop them both.
Yeah. Damn.
Well, that's good. I'm glad to hear that, because I know when about 10, 15 years from now, I'm probably going to get like double knee replacements because I'm just going to be fucked.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. So they said my joints and everything are really good. Like I didn't damage those, so that's good to hear.
Nice, yeah.
But we'll also see that probably diminish. So, I will be back.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Later,
Gator. Hey team, I will be back. I have to go to the doctor. Spread looks good. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm still here. But we are at a 97% probability of profit now, up from our 95 when we first opened it. Damn. So other than that, we look good. Yeah, we look good.